Hey guys, welcome to this video. If you want to watch latest movies, latest TV shows, but you don't have subscription for Prime services such as Amazon Prime or Netflix, don't get worried, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll explain how to use torrent for downloading any movie or TV show or songs as well. So let's get started. So first of all, to use torrent, you need these three things. You need a VPN provider, you need a torrents app, and you need a torrenting website for the same. So I'll start from the first point. First you gotta install a VPN provider. So just open Play Store and search for a VPN there. Guys, you can select any VPN from here. My personal favorite is Turbo VPN as this is minimalistic. So I'll just click on install for this app and wait for this app to install. Guys, VPN fakes your internet location and unlocks banned website in your country. So this is a must for downloading any torrent because torrenting websites are banned in India. I'll just leave it here. And the second thing you need is a torrenting app. So I'll just search for uTorrent, or some people like to call it muTorrent as well. I'll just click on this. I'll just click install and wait for this app to install as well. As you can see guys, now I have installed these two apps. So the third step now is, first of all, I need to enter my VPN and activate it. I'll just click agree here and I'll just get rid of this. Guys, select any country from here except India, because if you are using India in your VPN then it won't work. I'll just select United States and tap on connect. As you can see, it's now connecting. I'll just wait for it to connect. As you can see guys, now it says that you are now connected. Now I'll just go back. Going back now, I'll just open any browser, say Chrome. There I'll just click this torrenting website, which is 1337x.to. This is my favorite torrenting app. You can use any other torrenting websites like Pirate Bay, etc. I'll just click here, and here you see now this website is open. Now I'll just select for any movie or random TV show that I want to download. So guys, I'll just select for movie Gulabo Sitabo, which is just launched today midnight. I'll just hit search button here. You can see here is a list of Gulabo Sitabo movie in different resolutions. You can select any resolution you want. I'll just select 720p here, WebRef. As you can see, now this page is open. Make sure that there are seeders here. There are seeders. The more number of seeders, the quicker it will download. I'll just click on magnet download here. As soon as I click on this, I'll just click on magnet download. As soon as I click on that, it will redirect me to torrents app, and then the download will start. I'll wait for a few seconds to download to start. One more thing guys, if this link has opened in your torrents app, what you can do is you can turn off your VPN network, which is throttling your internet speed now. So just go back and click disconnect here, and then go back to the torrent app again and wait for it to download. I hope you like this one. Thanks for watching.